Number 3 says the vertical line, or asks, the vertical line test is a quick way to check if the graph is a function. If a vertical line can be drawn which touches the graph at more than one point, then the graph is not a function. Use the vertical line test to determine which of the following graphs represents a function. So immediately, choice 1, you're trying to do that vertical line test and you realize that this is a vertical line. There's a quick way to help yourself out there. If you put 2 points on the line and you just say to yourself, all right, this could be 3, 5, and this could be 3, -5. So what I'm saying is that this point right here could be 3, -5, and this point right here could be 3, +5. If that's the case, the x repeats with different y's. So that means you know that this is not a function. So it can't be a function because the x repeats. And actually, the x would repeat right here all the way through that line. So that's definitely not a function. So we can cross that out. Not a function, because they're looking for a function. So 2, you could try to draw your vertical lines. And as you're drawing your vertical lines, and I know my lines are really bad, as you're drawing your vertical lines, they're only going through once, so that is a function. Then you could draw a vertical line here through the circle. You notice that that goes through twice. And again, if you assign coordinates to each of these points where it crosses twice, you'll notice that the x repeats right at that point. So this is not a function. Then you do the same thing for number 4, and you're drawing your vertical lines. You're drawing your vertical lines, and you're drawing your vertical lines. You notice that they only go through once. So this is a function. So the question is asking you, use the vertical line test to determine which of the following graphs represents a function. 2 and 4 are the only functions here. So C is your answer.